Nah, sir.
Not Verona.
Oh, sir.
All right. Okay. I also I had the same issue this day. I have tried to go, but I didn't have a chance. Okay. Let me start the lesson. Wait a minute. All right. You can write the topic for the today lesson. Can write the topic for the today lesson. Can you see the board today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write the lesson estimation. Estimation and rounding off. Estimation and rounding off is the lesson for today. Okay, estimation and rounding off. This is the lesson, right? The topic, this is number 6 lesson. Tenujan? Tenujan?
Yes, sir.
Have you done the homeworks?
Yes, sir.
Did you send me, no?
Okay, sir.
Send it, right? I told you when before the class you should have to send the homeworks. Okay, next time, when before the Monday you should have to send the homeworks to me, right? Okay,
Okay, sir.
the lesson is estimation and rounding now. Tisali, can you have any idea about what is the estimation? If it is possible, you can switch on your camera. Then I can see your face. Do you have any idea about estimation?
No, sir.
No, right. Okay, Asandi, do you?
No, sir.
Okay, Senate,
No, sir.
Tevijan,
No, sir.
okay, so I will tell you a story to you, right? One day when I'm going normally I like to travel, right? So when I go in some rural area, village area, Gamakati, so then I stop a small shop to have a tea, right? චූටි කඩවල වලින් නිකන් වඩේ එකක් කාලා ප්ලේන් දෙකක් එහෙම බොන්න ආසයි. ඔයාලත් ආසයි නේද සිනෙත් එහෙම? චූටි කඩේකින් ආස නැද්ද? ඔය ගමක තියෙන ලස්සන චූටි කඩේකින් තිසලි? නැහැ. Do you like to go Pizza Hut or Burger Hut, kind of places? Huh? No. I like that kind of small shop, small ones. I mostly like, right? I stop my vehicle and I just enter to the shop. And when I having the tea, කඩේ පොතේ ආව මිනිස්සෙක් කෙසල් කඩක් කරේ තියාගෙන මෙහෙම ආවා. So just came and keep the store තිබ්බලා මේ මම බලන්න හිටියා දැන් මුදලාලිට මේක විකුණන්න ආවේ. සල්ලි වලට විකුණන්න ආවේ. He came to sell to the shop. Right? He's a farmer. farmer කෙනෙක් තමයි ඒක අරන් ආවේ කාටද මුදලාලිට ඒක sell කරන්න. මුදලාලි බලන්න ඉඳලා මුකුත් නැහැ. මුදලාලි අහුවා කොච්චර කෙසල්ස් තියෙනවද? How many plants? Right? Palmer, I can remember something like 200 or something amount එකක් කිව්වා. I just okay. මුදලාලි මොකද කරේ? එක කැනයි ගණන් කරේ. එක ඇවරියයි ගණන් කරේ. ගණන් කරලා right ඔක්කොම තියනවා කියලා ගත්තා. So මම ඊට පස්සේ මොකද කරේ? I just went to the class to the seller. මුදලාලි ගාවට ගිහිල්ලා මම අහුවා how did you count that one? Just a 1 minute you count total one. So සම්පූර්ණ විනාඩියෙන් ගණන් කරා. So මුදලාලි කිව්වා නෑ මහත්තයා I didn't count all the plants but I estimate මම හිතුවා මෙච්චර ප්‍රමාණයක් මෙතන තියෙනවා කියලා. කොහොමද එයා කරේ? එයා පුතේ පාවිච්චි කරේ එක කැනක් විතරක් ගන්න. එක ඇවරියක් විතරක් ගණන් කරලා ඇවරි ගානේ multiply කරා. ඒකල එයා කිව්වා right මේ ගාන තියෙනවා. එතකොට ඒ වගේ අපි just like that right without counting all the things use some mathematical method to get some idea how is the total. It is we call what estimation, right? You know before when you make your house, right, you have to draw the plan, no? ගේ හදන්න කලින් you have to draw a plan. How is the plan? What kind of, how many rooms, how many kitchens, where is the kitchen, where is the dining area, where is the living area? You have to draw the plan right now. So after the plan, you have to make estimation. කොච්චර cost එකක් මේකට යනවද, right? Therefore you have taken some, it's not to be a total value. It not be the perfect value. එක හරිම value එක වෙන්නේ නැහැ. But we have to assume some kind of values are there. So it is we call what estimation. එකට අපි කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Estimation එකක් ඒ වගේ එකට කියලා කියනවා. Understand what I'm saying? Yeah. අන්න ඒ වගේ එකට. Now Tisali you can understand what is estimation? Not
Yes,
yet.
can understand, sir.
Yeah. And what Ashadi?
I can understand, sir.
Okay. Theojan, you can understand what is the estimation? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
And Senet?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it means without counting all the things, right? But just we use some mathematical method. It can be multiplication, it can be something like addition or any kind of mathematical operations are applied for that one and get the total one. It's we call what? Estimation. It is we call what? Estimation. Understand? Yeah, right. Okay. Now you
Yes,
can
sir.
write the star, write this knot with the star mark. Put the star mark and you can write this knot now. Down, right. Finding a close value. Finding a close value close value for the number of items. For the number of items finding a close value for the number of items without counting button using a suitable method is defined as estimation. You can underline the word estimation. Yeah. Here we learn well, right? So finding a clause value. Finding a clause value, not the exactly that one, right? It's getting a clause value. For the number of items without counting, right? So we are going to take a number of items, it is clause value, but not the counting. Just we are not going to count all the things. Understand, Devjan? Here we are not going to count everything. What I looking? I'm looking for you. I'm looking for your answer. I'm still writing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just finish it. Finish it. Sinet, why? Are you lazy? No. Vasanthi, how are you? How is the feeling on today? The last day you had some fever or something, no?
Yes, sir.
Finish, sir.
No, it's okay.
No, okay, sir.
Okay. So did you watch the recording? Vasanthi, did you watch the recording of the last week? Recording එක බලුවද කේසති?
No, sir.
So
ආවේ නෑනේ recording එක.
ඉල්ලලා දැම්මද group එකට?
ඔව්, sir.
හරි මම නෙවෙයි messages බලන්නේ. මං කියන්නම් එවන්න කියලා. හරිද? right. මොන අදද දැම්මවා?
ඔව්, sir.
ඒක වෙන්න ඇති. හරි. මම නෙවෙයි පුතේ messages group එකේ බලන්නේ. මට time එකක් නැහැනේ. මම වෙන කෙනෙක් දාලා දෙන්නේ. ඔයාලා ඔය message කරන්නේ ඔයාලගේ inquiries ඔක්කොම බලන්න එයා. බලලා මං වගේ message කරාට මම නෙවෙයි. එතකොට මොන හරි ඒ වුණාට මට දැනුවත් කරනවා අවශ්‍යම දෙයක් තියෙනවා නම් එතකොට තමයි මම ඒ ටික බලන්නේ. right? මම දන්නේ නැහැ මේ මම class එක කරනවා විතරයි අත්‍තරම ගත්තා. right? එතකොට message recording ඉල්ලන්නේ ඔක්කොම වෙන කෙනෙක් තමයි බලන්නේ. right. Okay. So now we know finding a clause value. Here finding a clause value for the number of items without counting, right? Without counting, but using a suitable method is defined as estimation, right? So here we learn what here we are going to get a clause value at for the number of items without counting. අපි ගණන් කරන්නේ නැතුව, right? But using a suitable method, right? Suitable method එකක් පාවිච්චි කරනවා. It's we call estimation. We know it well, right? Okay. So let's see the example now. උජාන ඉක්මන ලියා ගන්න ඕනේ පුතේ හොඳද? දැන්
Okay, sir.
grade 6, not the grade 5, right? So you're not small now, right? You are like just in a grade 6 mean, ne, schooling ayala. You are in upper school, right? Not the primary school. That means you have to write everything in quick. Right. Okay. So what we are going to learn here, what do you mean of the estimation? We learned that one. Without counting, but we are using a suitable method to get the close value. We call there as estimation. So let's see this example. Here some lemons, right? Some lemons in a with the vendor, right? You know, in pair, folaka අපි දන්නවා vendors ලා ඉන්නවා, right? So kind of example is here. Kind of example is here. Right, you can see here. Right, some lime. It is a lime vendor, right? Right. So here one line bulk consists 2 kilograms. 2 kilograms, right? How is the total kilograms were here? Yeah, how is the total kilogram? We know the one line bulk is what? 2 kilograms, right? So there are, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bulk, right? So that means total we can get 2 kilograms into 7. So the correct answer is what? 14 kilograms. Understand? So here we didn't count everything. We didn't check. We didn't measure the every line bulk. How is the kilograms? But we just got only the one. අපි එකක විතරයි දන්නවා. Then we multiple by the total bulk and we got the correct answer. Understand? Tisale? Senet?
Sir.
Yeah. Devujan?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, just you can note it down then. Now you can note it down this. Did you finish?
Done, sir.
Yes,
Done?
sir. I'm finished writing.
Okay. All of them?
Finish, sir.
I think Tejan is writing. Am I correct now? Tejan, you are writing now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please tell me when you finish it.
I am finished, sir.
You done now? Right. Okay. So now again, we can check this one. Here we know this is a water tank. This is a water tank. Right. In bottom, it has 200 milliliters water. How many water is there?
Milliliter.
200 milliliters.
200 milliliters. Right. This is, I got a few measurement to here. Right. You can see kind of when complete this tank, right? So this is a total height. Example number 2. What is, wait. If 200 milliliters water has filled, what is the total capacity of this tank? If 200 milliliters water has filled, what is the total capacity of this tank? Right? So it is the question. You know, can you tell me, can you suggest me someone? How can we find the total capacity of this tank? Seneth, what about you?
From the lines of the one that we check how much is the
Yeah,
filled in
how
the
much is there? So tell me how much lines were there?
6.
You are telling 6. Right. What about Oshandi?
6, sir.
You are telling 6. Tisali?
6, sir.
You are telling also 6. And Teujan,
Six,
do you have
sir.
any different answer for this?
No, sir.
You are telling 6.
Yes, sir.
Now look at Pute here. Well, the lines are 6. Okay. Seneth is okay. You are correct with the lines. But thing is, look at, we can't take the bottom line because the top 200 is filled for this. Right? So now we have to check not the lines, how many gaps are there. Because if we took the lines, the answer will wrong. Because if you count the bottom one, It is not included the water for the last bottom line. So we can get how many gaps? 2, 3, 4, 5. How many gaps are there?
5.
5. So that means to get the total capacity of this tank, we need to multiply by 200 milliliters into 5, not the 6. If you pick the 6, it is wrong. Why? If you are taking the lines with the bottom is not consistent any amount of the water. Understand, Seneth? Yeah, understand it,
Yes.
Trisali? Yeah,
Yes.
yes. So here we have to take only the gaps. Gaps as were there. So total is 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter. If we convert into the liters, it is 1 liter tank. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but then
Yes.
you can note it down. First you can draw the tank, then you can note out the question, and then you can write the answer.
It's 5. I'm done writing, sir.
Hmm.
I am finished writing, sir.
Good, Pate. You all can finish now. When you're done it, tell me. So then we can start the next part.
Sir, I did my work.
Well done. Teujan, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, better. So now we'll do another one. All right. So then we can discuss another question. All right. The question, the bigger shows, the bigger shows uh, two stacks, two stacks of books, two stacks of books. Uh, there are 25 books in stack B. Stack B. Find the total books in stack A. Understand the question? You can see there are two stacks of books, right? So A and B. The B, it has 25. So we are asking how many books for the stack A. Can you do it now?
Okay,
Yeah, I
sir.
want to see you book as well. So draw
Okay,
it
sir.
well and then write the question well. Then write the answers well. Right. Have you finished?
I'm done writing, sir.
Okay. You all finished? Who is writing now? Is someone is writing?
Sir, I am writing.
Okay, Putri, finish it.
I have finished writing, sir.
Also done now? අපේ පොඩි මෑන්ඩ් ඔයාලා බලන්න ඕනේ කියලා කිව්වා. So can you switch on your camera? මෙයාට බලන්න ඕනේ ඔයාලා.
Sir, I will writing.
Okay. අන්න ඉන්නවා. Here Senet. Senet අයියා. Then Osali අක්කා. And then middle Tiseli akka. And Teujan අයියා. Did you see? Bye කියන්න පුතේ. ඔක්කොටම bye කියන්න. Bye කියන්න. Bye. Bye කියන්න. Bye කියන්න. Bye. Bye කියන්න. ඊළඟට bye කියන්න. Bye අපි යන්න කියන්න. හරි bye කියන්න. කොහොම bye කියන්න. Bye කියන්න. Bye කියන්න. හරි.
Sir, I am finished.
You all done now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, now you can switch on the cameras. I wanted to see your face. I wanted to see your beautiful and smart faces. Right. Okay, guys. Just like flowers, ne? Wala mal lage lamai. Okay. Ko mal lage lamai kau din ne? Senita mal lage de? Ne? Tisarina mal lage. Hama vele me hina vela ini. Good girl. Oshadit tehem. Teujanta malu. Alut dene. Hmm. Okay. Right. So what is the answer, Osandi? Osandi, tell me what is the answer?
125.
125. Yes. So why we know stock B is 25. Then kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that mean it's will when you count it, you will get 125 is the answer. Okay. You all correct that one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Better. Okay, Pute. So you can write this question now. You can write this question now. Is this number 4? Question number 4.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Right. So write this question. Uh, in a certain school, if you don't know the spellings I'm writing here, in a certain school, plan to visit to visit Dalanda Maligav. Dalanda Maligav. They arrange they arrange they arrange 15 buses. They arrange 15 buses. Each bus each bus has 55 students and 2 teachers. So you can see quick action under that big action. Find how many students, how many teachers, total teachers and students. Is this clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
can note it down.
Sir, in this one we should write in one bus how many students and teachers and the total
No,
or
no, total, Pute. Find the total. That means
yeah,
total,
sir, all the buses.
all the
Oh,
buses. Yes. Find the total.
okay, sir.
Yeah, it means you have to estimate total, but not the one bus. We know it's given to 55 students now. Yeah, you need to get the total, right? Total 15 buses per there. That means 15 multiplied by 55, you can get the students, and 15 multiplied by 2, you can get the 20 teachers. Then get the sum of those two. Then you can get the total teachers and the students.
I'm done writing, sir.
Did you write the answers as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Good, Pute.
Sir, I have finished writing.
Okay. So now Oshandi and Teujan is writing.
Sir, I did my work.
Okay, Oshandi. Teujan, you also can finish it now. Can I check the answers now, Tejan? You are still writing.
Yes, sir.
Which section is doing now?
Third question.
Okay, then finish it. 30 is the final one now.
I'm finished, sir.
Okay, Teujan, tell me what is the answer for the first one? How many students were there?
825 students.
I'm asking only the Teujan. Sinit, are you Teujan? No. Teujan, what's the answer for the first one?
825 students.
825 students. Then teachers,
30.
30. So what is the total? Total?
855.
Yes. So Tisali, is this correct?
No.
Wrong.
Yes.
Oshanit, what's your answer?
Correct, sir.
Sinet,
Correct, sir.
Tisali, what have you got for the students?
825.
Teachers?
30.
So the final ones is 855 now.
Uh,
What have you got for that one?
I got 25,750.
No. Just addition of these two now. You multiply both these two as well.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not
Yes.
multiplication, right? If the teachers is 30, if the students were 825, you need to get the sum of these two and then you can get the total of them. Right. Okay. Clear? Am I raised the board now?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'm really happy about you because you all done the answers are correctly. Only Tisali has done the mistake. No, it doesn't matter, right? But all of them got this lesson very quickly and understand as well. So now you can move to the next subtopic, right? So it is for the rounding off. This is a very important part of in the mathematics. Rounding off lesson is a very important part of the mathematics, so you have to clearly understand this as well, right? So write the topic rounding off. Under this, you can write this rounding off to the nearest multiple of 10. Rounding off to the nearest multiple of 10. Okay. So now we are going to learn the numbers to be rounding off to the nearest 10. Right. So, Seneth, how many students in your class?
23.
20. So if I ask, yeah, it's close answer, not that. If it is multiplication of the multiple of the 10, if I ask, close value is how, not the exactly, closely how many students in your class?
20.
Yeah, normally arguing about them. Just tell me how many students in your class. You just tell 20 students. It's the one you are telling, no? Right? And when you going somewhere in some kind of in a bus, uh, how many were at your bus? You're just telling 50 or 60 kind of. How many can 50, 60? It's like put a round in now, right? We know it's not the perfect exactly 50. It can be 45, it can be 54, it can be 51. But you're telling, yeah, 50. Likewise, ne? It can be a 50, likewise. So it's we call what rounding off. Rounding off. Yeah, it is we call rounding off the nearest multiple of 10. Okay, have you noted this part?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. So let's see the example, you will understand it better. When you look this example, you can understand this part better. All right. In here, you can see the number line. In number line, started the number from 15 to 24. Yeah. You can see numbers has started 15 till 24 are the numbers. Right? So then, if you rounding off this any number of here, you can tell if you are rounding off any number of the nearest multiple of 10 here, you can say as the answer 20. If the 15, when it is 15 rounded off to the nearest multiple of 10, what is the answer?
20.
20. 16, it also 20. 17, it also 20. 18, 20. 19, 20. If 21, it's also 20. If 22, it also 20. 23, it also 20. If 24, it also what? 20. Understand? If the numbers above 5 or uh, if the number 5 or above 5, it is close to nearest multiple of 10, right? If the numbers below 4, it is the answer nearest multiple of 10, the below 1, right? Understand? So if the number is 5 or over, it is when it is rounding off to the nearest multiple of 10, it is the one of the multiple of 10 is the above one, and also something number like 20 4 or below, it is multiple of the below multiple of the 10. Understand what I am saying? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah, okay, you can draw this one quickly.
I am done writing, sir. Me too, sir.
Sir, I did my work.
Me too, sir.
I had finished writing, sir.
Me too, sir. I am finished, sir.
Yes, now Pute, let's see the some questions. First, I'm asking from Senate, right? Senate, tell me 23. What is the answer for when you round it off the nearest multiple of 10?
20.
20. Now chance goes to Tisali. 47. What is the answer?
$50.
Of course. Then chance goes to Australia. 75. What is the answer?
Sir, 70 and 80.
Nah, correct one is 80 Pute. It doesn't have two values. If 5 or over 5 is the upper one from the lower one. Understand? Right? Okay. So Teujan, tell me 74. What is the answer?
80.
74, it can't be 80. 4 is below 5. It is what? Huh? 70. Okay, 74 now. If something like more than 75, it should be 80. Right? If something below like 74, 73, 72, 71, it is 70. Pute. Clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So now chance goes to Sinet again. Sinet, you're the one is again you have to represent this well.
Yeah.
103. So what you answer Pute?
100.
100. Well done. Then again Aushadhi. 150. What is the answer? Aushadhi?
Sir,
Yeah. 150. It's also 150 because it is multiple of 10 1. Understand?
yes, sir.
Okay, Pute. Now chance goes to Tisali. Tisali, you can tell this one. 195.
200.
Well done. 200 is the answer. Now Devjan is your chance now. 7. What do you think?
10.
Yes, well done, well done, well done, well done. So, okay, you can write down those examples and thereafter you can fill the answers for others.
Finish, sir.
Done. I'm waiting till finish the others as well. Kisali, Hantani won't join the class it again. Didn't she say anything?
No, sir.
Alright. I think she has the issue the time, no?
I think yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, she earlier told me that his mother is coming at exactly 6:30, that she doesn't have any devices to join the class now. Yeah. Aparad, she has improved well a bit. Anyway, the thing is, I don't have any option. So if I had option to do the class on Saturday, I will do it. It's also better to me because I just come into the home on 6:15. Then just take a quick question, then start the class. But in Saturday, I don't have any issues. But thing is, now I can't do the class with my personal commitment on this weekends. Have you all done now?
Yes, sir.
Teujan, did you finish?
Sir, I did my work. Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone is done. All right. Teujan, tell me what is the answer for the ninth one?
The ninth one.
Yeah? This one?
0.
Yeah, 0. And Sinead, what is the answer for this?
90.
90. And Osandi, this one?
300.
300. Well done. So, Tisari, about this 12?
1,000.
That's correct. And Teujan, 611?
600.
610. It can't be 600 because it's 11 mean the below one is 610. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now tell me Tisali about 769.
800.
No, wrong. So tell me, Oshadi, what is the answer for the 769?
770.
Yes, of course, 770. And then tell me the last one, 200 is exactly
200.
200. Yes. Only two has mistakes. Tisali, today you did two mistakes. This one and also before also you done the same mistake in one is when you're counting the numbers. You has multiple, but it is needed to be take the addition, right? Okay, so is this clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, of course.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can write this question, Kute. Write this one. When the number of students, when the number of students, when the number of students in a class, when the number of students in a class when the number of students in a class was rounded up to the was rounded up to the was rounded up to the nearest multiple of 10. Nearest multiple of 10. The value obtained the value obtained was 50. Was 50. So question number 1. What is the least number of students and then second, what is the most number of students can be in the class? What is the least number of students? What is the most number of students can be in the class?
Yeah, finish writing.
Tisari, can you check your answer again? Because last time also got the issue.
Done writing, sir.
You done now? Others also can finish it now.
Sir, I did my work.
Okay, Pute. So what about the Teojan? You still writing?
I'm still writing, sir.
So now I can get the answer. So can you tell me someone what is the least number of students in this class? Can be in this class. Tisali, you are the one finish this section first. So tell me what is the answer?
44.
No, it is put the least number of students 45. Because if the 44 is it's when it is rounded off to the nearest multiple, it was 40, no. But here answer is 50. The 50 has taken only if the students were 45 or 46, 47, 48, 49. So the least one is 45 now then. Clear what I am saying? Yeah, Senate, what's
Yes,
your
sir.
answer?
For the first one,
Yeah,
45.
yeah, it's correct. Osandi
40, sir.
is wrong, right? 45 now the correct one. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Devjan, what about you, Pute?
45, sir.
Yeah, well done. Exactly. Yes, it is the 45. So now tell me. I want to do this answer for the who got the wrong. Tisali and Osandi. So Osandi, first you can tell me what is the what is the most number of students can be in this class? Osandi. Yeah,
55.
55. Yeah,
No.
Tisali, what about you?
49.
No. Answer is, what's your answer, Sinet?
54.
54, exactly. It is the correct one. Why? If the 55, it's when you round it up, it is 60. Right? So if something 49 is 50, it's correct. But if something like 54, it also 50 no. Tisali, if students are 53, it also 50 no. If the students 52, it's also rounded up to the nearest multiple of 10, it is 50. So it can be the most number of students in this class is 54. Is this clear to you all now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes. Now it is
Yes,
clear
sir.
now. Yeah. So well done. So
Sir.
yeah. Is someone's trying to say something to me? You can understand Pute well here. This part is some students didn't catch the first time, right? But some caught first time. I know. So student who caught the first time, you also have to revise this to so many times, then you get more familiar. And also, student who didn't catch this one first time, those one also revise this much better and better. Then only you can keep this one in your mind. I'm sure, I'm guaranteed in the exam you will get this kind of questions definitely. Yeah. So in the exam is given this kind of question, so you have to ready for that. I know in this class, in this moment, you doing this one better because we are in the lesson, we are discussing the questions like this, so you are much familiar now. But when it's come to the exam, we will see the exam after 2-3 months. Then completely you forget what I have done in the class. So therefore, only you can keep in this in your mind by doing more questions and more revising. Understand? Yeah. Okay, this early.
Yes,
Asandi,
sir.
I know you both are the talented students. I know it well. But even you can't understand in the first time mean this is something bit complicated than others. So now it's clear now? Yes. Asandi, this is clear now? Yeah. And Senathan, Tenuchan, you also okay now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, well done. Senat, can you revise? What have you done today? What have you done today?
We estimated some stuff and we rounded off.
Yeah, what do you mean of the estimation? So can you tell me that one too?
Like
In
telling
your
the
mind,
process.
not look in the book and not well. Just tell me. What is the definitions that we wrote for the estimation?
The processed number for the number which is in the frame.
Yeah. But we didn't count it, no?
Yeah, without counting.
Without counting. Yeah, without counting. How we get the closest value? Have we used so many method for that?
We use rounding.
No. When we learn in the estimation lesson, right? There we talk about the estimation mean to getting the cost value without counting. No. So are we use some method get the cost value of that? Yes, we got it, Pute. We did some mathematical method, right? It can be multiplication, yeah. It can be addition, right? It can be mostly it is multiplication, or sometimes it can be used to division as well. Understand? Yeah, you know now estimation is the one which it is something like getting the cost value without counting, but we use a mathematical method to get that one. It is we call estimation. There we learn few estimation. Then what we did?
We did rounding.
Rounding off to what nearest?
Plus 10.
Yeah, nearest multiple of 10. There we know. Seneth, can you tell me how can we round it off numbers to the nearest multiple of 10? Is there any method? How can you identify that?
If it's higher than 5, you put it to the higher number.
Yeah.
If it's lower than 5, you put to the downer one.
Nearest multiplications, no? Multiplications of 10. Right, yes,
Yes,
of
sir.
course. Okay, well done. That's I want, right? Everyone, you should have the confidence to tell like that. Sineth is done it well. Exactly. I know he's the one is when others are at the grade 6, but you are still at the grade 5. But you are attending this class well and telling everything is great. Right. Well done, Sineth. Okay. We are going to stop the class for today as well, but I wanted to give some exercise as well because exercise will remind you what you have done in the class, right? So let's note it down the exercises. 6.1 is the one. 6.1. And another one is like 6.2. You can do for the both exercises a total because of these are very important part. You will get more question in the exam, right? So therefore you have to write this all the sections and not the sections, answers for the all the sections. 6.1 and 6.2, but I am sure you can send those exercise before the Monday. It's better if you can send it Saturday or the Friday. It's better because with the I was too so busy on the weekends. So then I will have the problem to. I don't have a time to actually check those things. So therefore, if you can send it to me is before that. So it's a very, very, very convenience to me. Try to do it because I know you also with the work. If you are going to school and you have some school homeworks, and anyway, try to find out some time. Try to find out some time and do it. Then only you can improve what you have done in the class, right? Okay. So I'm going to finish the class for today. Is this clear? This lesson?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well
Yes,
done for
sir.
today. Right, see you again next Monday. Next Monday is something like I think before the election day. Don't worry about that. We are continuing the class. You can join and tell your friend, spread this message your friend about this class. The class is good, so you can join them as well. These classes. Okay, I'm going to finish this class. Bye. See you again next Monday.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Have a
Bye.
nice
Thank
day,
you,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.